Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, iPod adapter, hill assist system, blind spot monitor, USB audio interface, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2016 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, satellite radio, cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.